Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Kanen Silvano Espresso machine. Now for this machine we gave it tune-up as well as replace the heating element. This one that you see right here. And in order for us to replace the heating element we had to assemble the entire boiler, go from the bottom, remove this and put it all back in there. We descaled the boiler as well and descaled some other parts of the machine, and yeah, that's all what we did. This is the older gasket of the machine. As you can see, it's already cracking in many places, not working the way it's supposed to, o-ring from the shower head as well. And yeah, that's what we did with this machine. Deep clean it and replace some of the electrical connections that were broken in here. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine now. Hopefully I pick up the right grind sense of this machine, and as you can see it's going to be drip coffee this time, as I did not pick up the right grind settings. It's really fast and the pressure went all the way to just 4. We're still going to get a little bit of crema on top of that espresso shot, as you see right there. And as you can see right here, there's no water in there, so definitely need to damper this a bit more and increase it with a bit more of coffee. You can see the shower screen, the shower flow coming from the shower screen, nice and steady stream, looking excellent. And for the steam itself, I tested out as well. We're gonna be tidying this later to make sure it doesn't leak. But as you can see, we're having nice steady steam coming out of the one, looking great. So there you have it, Silvano working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to the channel.